Hello everyone, welcome to solve this nice math Olympiad algebra problem. So here we have a square plus b square equals to 2009, and we solve this problem for the values of a and b. So here you remember one thing is that our a and b should must be an integer, okay? So here first we need to focus on a right hand side of this equation, and now here first we need to find the factors of 2009. So here we make the factors of 2009 by this division method. So here we first divide these terms by 7, and we get here 7 2s are 14, and we carry 6 here. This will become 60, and 7 8s are 56, and we carry 4 here, and we get 7 7s are 49. And now we again divide it by 7, and we get here 7 4s are 28, and 7 1s are 7. And now we divide both of the sides by 41, and we get here 41 times 1 becomes here 41. And now we need to focus into the right hand side, and we obtain a square plus b square equals to, this is 2009, and we write 2009 as 7 multiplied by 7 multiplied by 41. So further in the next step, we rewrite this equation as 7 times 7 becomes 7 square multiplied by 41, and in this side we have, this is a square plus b square. So further in the next step, here we need some substitutions substitutions for the values of a and b. So here we will just take uh, x is equals to 7 times of a. Here we take our a is equals to 7 times of x, and we take our b is equals to 7 times of y. Here we introduce new variables x and y in this way, and we put our a is equals to 7x, and we put b equals to 7y. So when we substitute both of these two values to the above equation, so after substituting these values, our above equation is written as, this will becomes 7x whole square plus 7y whole square is equals to 7 square multiplied by 41. So now we apply the square separately on both of these two values, and after applying the square it will becomes here 7 square times x square plus, this will become 7 square times y square equals to 7 square multiplied by 41. And now you see here each of these terms involve 7 square, so that here we need to divide both of the sides each of these terms by 7 square. And when we divide by 7 square, it will become here 7 square x square divided by 7 square plus 7 square y square divided by 7 square equals to 7 square. And here further we need more simplifications, and you see here this 7 square and this 7 square are gone, and we get here x square plus this 7 square and this 7 square are also gone, and we get y square equals to this 7 square and this 7 square are gone, and we get here 41. So here we obtain the new equation is x square plus y square is equals to 41. And now further in the next step, here we need to focus into the right hand side, and in the right hand side we have this is 41. So we write this 41 as 25 plus 16. We break this 41 as in the form of 25 plus 16. And now we rewrite this equation as, this is 25, and 25 is equals to 5 square plus this is 16, and 16 is equals to 4 square. And in the left hand side we have, this is x square plus y square. And now further in the next step we need to compare both of the sides, and when we compare both of the sides we obtain x square equals to 5 square, and we obtain y square equals to 4 square. So for the values of x and y, we need to remove this square sign, and we take square root on both of the sides, and when we apply square root it will be written as in this form. These two and square root are gone, and we get here our x is equals to, these two and square root are gone, and we get here plus minus 5, because when we apply square root on both of the sides we write here plus minus sign any one of the side. So here you see that this 2 and square root are gone, and we get y is equals to this 2 and square root are gone, and we get here plus minus 4. These are the two values of y. So here, because of we need to find the values of a and b, and now here we need to move backward, but for this we first multiplying both of these two values by 7. So when we multiply both of these two equations by 7, it will becomes here 7x is equals to plus minus 7 times 5 becomes 35, and from here we get 7 times y is equals to plus minus 28. Okay, so further we move backward, and you see here in the start of the problem we take 7x is equals to a and 7y equals to b. So we back substitute these values here, and when we back substitute the values, it will becomes here a is equals to plus minus 35, and from here we get b is equals to plus minus 28. So these are the two values of b, and these are the two values of a. So you see here our both of these two values are integers. Okay, so this is our final answer, and thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more exciting videos.